Express, but I'm not really going to stay here. I just came here for McDonald's because I'm so hungry, and my check-in is at 2 p.m. and it's now just 1 p.m. So I decided to grab lunch first, and I'm trying the food that's actually not available in other countries. So I have their Kra Pao over here, their fried chicken and chicken nuggets, and I took the plum sauce because I've never tried the plum sauce before. I'm very excited about the fried chicken because I really like McDonald's fried chicken. I've already tried the ones from the Philippines and Malaysia, and it's really good. So I ordered the spicy one, and let's see, but I'll try this one first. Whoa, it's spicy. And it is so hot here in Bangkok. That's spicy. It has like the Thai chili, I think, and garlic. But it's pretty good though. I just didn't expect that it would be that spicy. And of course I have an Americano. Let me try the plum sauce for the chicken nuggets. It's sweet. It's like syrup. Now I'm going to try the fried chicken. I got the spicy one, so if the Kra Pao was spicy, I'm pretty sure this is spicy too. Like real spice. It's not that spicy. I'll just finish my food and I'll show you my hotel room later. I got to the hotel, so let me show you how it looks like. And we have the cupboard here, the toilet. I already pooped there. Okay, there's a bathtub. I'm actually staying here alone, but I have 2 big beds. There's a TV, table, and another one. And look at the view! What the heck is this? It looks like someone is growing something in there. I actually already contacted the reception, and I asked if they could switch my room to a room that has like a city view. However, there were no more rooms available, so I'm like, okay, never mind. I'll just have to deal with that bubble view. But yeah, this is the hotel, guys, and I'll be staying here alone. Yes, I am back again in Bangkok. And if you've watched the first video that I uploaded, I left Bangkok wearing this white shirt, and I visited BKK again wearing the same shirt. And it's also from Uniqlo that I bought 2 years ago. Initially, I was supposed to be with my friend. We were supposed to travel here together because we wanted to visit Bangkok for a very long time already, since the pandemic. But she had family emergencies, so she couldn't come, and you know, the flight has already been paid, and I'm like, it's okay, I'll just still go, since I'll also be meeting like another friend of mine who's traveling with her family, and I already told her that I'll be visiting Bangkok again. So yeah, we'll be meeting I think tomorrow, because right now she's in Laos with her family. I got the room to myself, and the beds are pretty big, but I'll definitely use just one of them. And you know, one thing about the hotels in Bangkok is that they don't have much ports here. Like, you know, the port for electricity. Like USB ports. And Yeah, but the hotel is pretty decent though. I still like the last hotel. That's more of like my vibe because I don't know. It just looks more interesting to me. But I'm so happy, I'm very excited because I can be so loud here because I'm just alone. It's definitely me time. No one is listening. And I could do whatever I want for the next few days. Anyways, so yeah, nothing planned today, but I'm thinking of actually going to Siam Paragon, one of my favorite malls here in Bangkok. I'll have to check if it's going to rain because earlier it was pretty hot, but now it's raining. Is it still raining? Not sure. Yeah, because I also wanted to go for a swim. I'll have to check the pool first if it's good. And by the way, the food that I ate at McDonald's earlier, it was really spicy. Like while I was walking to the hotel, my insides were burning. Let's see. Hi. So I am resting right now. I think I take it back that I like the Asia Bangkok Hotel better than this Twin Towers Hotel because I checked the facilities, I checked the pool, the gym. It was really nice. Like it's a big pool and the gym had complete equipment and they even had like table tennis. They had a really nice shower room. So in the shower room there's also like a sauna and jacuzzi, but you have to pay like 300 baht for jacuzzi and sauna. And you know, here in Bangkok, like you just go to one alley or like you just go to the streets, there would be like vendors selling food, like sausages, fruits, fried chicken, papaya salad, and so on. Let me unpack. I've decided that I will be going to Siam Paragon. Do I wear contacts? Nah, I don't want to be stressed with my contacts being dry and everything. So what am I gonna do in the mall? I guess I'll just buy something to eat, like the sausage and also Thai tea. Thai tea. That's what I'm really looking forward to. Maybe just grab something to eat and bring it back to the hotel, and or we go swimming. Not sure. Let's see. But I'll take you with me to Siam Paragon. Let's go.